Wan Xiang, RCKMT Chen Zhu, CPWDP Ding Zhongli, CDL Hao Mingjing, CDNCA Kai Defeng, CAPD Government, United Front and Independent, the Standing Committee of the National People's Congress, officially the Standing Committee of the National People's Congress of the People's Republic of China, is the permanent body of the National People's Congress of the People's Republic of China. Both the NPC and the NPCSC exercise the legislative power of the state. The NPCSC oversees the election of the NPC and can extend the term of the current NPC by a put-off election by at most a year with a 2/3 majority vote. The NPCSC meets every 2 months with each meeting lasting a week. The NPCSC convenes the NPC once a year and may do so when it finds it necessary or with a proposal from 1/5 of NPC's members. The NPCSC holds power until the succeeding NPC elects its standing committee. Members of the NPCSC must not sit during meetings of the standing committee and must stand at all times when the standing committee is in session. There are no seats in the chamber where the standing committee meets. This standing requirement symbolizes the sacrifices made during the Long March. Members also cannot at the same time hold executive, judicial, supervisory positions. In contrast, members of the NPC do not have this restriction. The NPCSC has the power of judicial interpretation of law in the PRC, including its constitution. In contrast to common law jurisdiction in which stare decisis gives the power of both final interpretation and adjudication to a Supreme Court. Within mainland China, constitutional and legal interpretation is considered to be a legislative activity rather than a judicial one, and the functions are split so that the NPCSC provides legal interpretations while the Supreme People's Court actually decides cases. Because an interpretation of the NPCSC is legislative in nature and not judicial, it does not affect cases which have already been decided. It is led by a chairman, mainland China's top legislator, who is conventionally ranked third in mainland China's political ranking system, after the General Secretary of the Communist Party of China and the Premier of the People's Republic of China. The current chairman is Li Zhanshu. Prior to the existence of the NPCSC, the upper house of the Chinese parliament was overseen by the Control Yuan. A notable use of the constitutional interpretation power occurred in 1999 over the right of abode issue in the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region in Lau Kong Yung Wei, Director of Immigration. The NPCSC interpreted the Basic Law of Hong Kong in accordance with the position taken by the Hong Kong government with respect to the eligibility of permanent residency in Hong Kong. In 2014, the NPCSC set rules for the election of the chief executive of Hong Kong, a decision that was widely opposed by the pro-democracy camp and led to the Umbrella Revolution. In June 2020, the NPCSC created and passed the Hong Kong National Security Law, legislation that was kept secret until shortly before it took effect. In November 2020, Carrie Lam sought help from the NPCSC to give authority for the Hong Kong government to disqualify 4 pro-democracy lawmakers from the Legislative Council. In December 2020, it was reported that the NPCSC would move to diminish opposition from district councillors by unseating those who breached the red line, and also by removing the 117 seats belonging to district councillors in the Chief Executive Election Committee. Earlier in December 2019, Carrie Lam said that the opposition district councillors would be treated the same as those from the pro-Beijing camp, and that there is no question of the government's commitment to continue to respect the roles and functions of the district council. In March 2021, the NPCSC approved changes to Hong Kong's electoral system, allowing only patriots to serve in the government, and also reducing democratic representation. Elected by the 13th National People's Congress at its first session's 4th plenary meeting on March 17, 2018, all of the above 14 vice chairpersons of the 13th NPCSC were designated on December 7, 2020, by U.S. Department of State as connected with the national security law. pursuant to Executive Order 13936, the President's Executive Order on Hong Kong Normalization, and added to OFAC's SDN list.